Hey gang, Chaz here from Electric Works. I was working up in Studio B and heard a noise that sounded like a gunshot outside, so I'm running up to take a look. What the hell? There used to be a tree there. Did you do this?
Yes, I did.
Holy crap.
Took a short little break. My little tree.
Yeah, it's a little tree.
See the stump?
Yeah, I'll go look at the stump.
Yeah.
You know, you scared me. It sounded like a gunshot going off right outside the house.
I told you I was taking down a little tree.
Yeah, you said a little tree. Holy crap. Well, live from South Wales, this is Chaz and Julie. That's the news of the day. Hope you're all... Yeah, yeah, anybody want some free wood?
Come and take it.
Yeah, we got free wood. Come on down to Crazy Julie's Timber Emporium. Good times, man. See ya.